Hi, this is MCQ number 14 on the AP Physics C extra credit videos. So here we have a wordy problem, no numbers involved, and it's involving impulse, momentum, and force time graphs, and an experiment. Excuse me. So I read the question, but take a second to read through it. Give you a second. In the physics fact, we need, it's imperative we know, Newton's third law. If object A exerts a force on object B, then object B exerts a force on object A with equal magnitude, opposite direction, and of the same type. That's the most important. And then we can also know that the area under the curve of a force time graph is impulse, which is the change of momentum. Here we go. Impulse is area force time graph, and it's change in momentum, and it's right, so force times time. Okay, so if we read through this question, let's highlight what's important. Students can like that. On a collision, it doesn't say which, a force probe attached to block A is used to measure the force exerted by block B on block, exerted by block A on block B. So A on B as a function of time during the collision. So the area under this graph would be the impulse of block A's momentum. Block A's momentum on B. The data collected shows a positive force then. To determine the impulse on block B, the force sensor is removed from block A and attached to block B. The experiment is run again, which is fine. How this affects the data and the impulse, and if the impulse on block B is determined. So, from Newton's third law, we know the blocks are exerting equal and opposite forces on each other. So if block A exerts a force on block B would exert that same force just with the opposite sign. So that means the blocks also apply equal and opposite impulses on each other. So all we need is the force and time of one to determine the other. So that means the data can be used. The data can be used to determine the impulse on block A and on block B. Let's check. That's the right answer. There you go. Thank you.